town. And there's a couple there. See them? There they are. And then even further back I see one. So donkeys on the slopes. Oh, look at this guy. Oh my gosh. Oh. Let's put them all by my stick here. These guys. Oh, look. Beauty. Beauty. And then if you go this way, the donkification continues. The granny and another guy standing up kind of dry. But I don't know if she's any good. I think we'll leave her to seed. Take this guy, seed. I don't think anybody's gonna come back here if they haven't yet. Let me look around a little more. I love the donkeys. Oh, well, we don't want to miss out on the biggest one. Look at this. Holy crap. Wow, look at this guy, huh? What do we got here? Oh. 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 Hee-haw. I best keep just slowly spinning here because I keep finding more donkeys. It's donkey heaven. They're all over this little hill here. Yeah. We're on the outside, but smelling delicious. I'm on my hands and knees. Oh. 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 Oof. Sorry, buddy. Oh. Your stem right off. Oh. Quick 30 minutes in and out. New place. Yeehaw. They're getting dry. It's going to get hot this weekend, so they won't be good anymore. Had to get them now. First,
mind if I take a peek?
First Morel and the WMS 4A. It's yours. Come get it.
No, it's all yours.
Say hi to my messy car. Live from Kettle Moraine. They're popping. We attended the Wisconsin Mycological Society 4A. I didn't keep any of those. Whatever I found on that, I gave to whoever was near me. But the ones you see here, these I came early and went a couple miles down the road. And they're hitting in the pines up here in the North Kettles. But this is going to be the last weekend. When the heat comes, they're going to all be ruined. So come on out here. Let's go. Join me for a 2.5-hour multi-course morel mushroom dinner that is condensed down into 4 minutes. 5 gluttonous morel mushroom courses, including dessert, paired with wine. As morel season ends, we celebrate with this meal. Build me a garden. We're here at Morel. Greg and I are celebrating our annual tradition of a multi-course morel mushroom dinner. Chin chin, everybody. That's refreshing.
I like to see how he performs, how he does here.
This is morel custard. Green garlic, cream sauce, Morels, pickled mustard, and chive.
Yeah, the question is, there's no secret we don't make lady scattered grains. We would do better if we had someone better. That person has to come along though.
Soup. So soubi is like a French sauce that is made with onions and thickened with rice. And then there's an asparagus puree that also has ramps, parsley and chives in there. Then it will have morel mousse, cracked black pepper, and a little bit of olive oil. Enjoy.
That's pasta carbonara that I did not make. Beautiful Chardonnay.
I mean, I would be totally fine if she stayed with us. I don't have to work
That's what I'm saying.
But the process of flying, I think would be really
Now let's give it a taste.
I mean, for like, yeah, I mean,
Now
she's
that
got
they're
like
using-
protein shakes and my dad will make her smoothie and stuff, but she needs protein, you know, all of that stuff.
And that's the kids are saying this is
Wow, it ferments for days. Wow. Give it a little funk, so I hope you enjoy.
Thank you.
Miso coated walleye with morels. Yummy. Miso crusted walleye. Morels asparagus. Lamb shank incoming. Fresh red wine. There it is. Wow. That's spectacular. Here's the most gorgeous dish of the evening. It's a smoked lamb shank. With this luscious red wine we've got. Wow, that's beautiful. This lamb dish
and mushroom chips,
is just mind-blowing. Right there.
chicken liver parfait,
There's hummus.
delicious
There's
Irish bread, amberjack, tartar, which is fantastic, the smoked beetroot, and everything and then rhubarb ice
melting in your mouth, tender lamb.
cream, really good.
No, and the quality of their ingredients.
There's morels. Hummus.
And it's chickpeas, Bellsbury, chips like they're,
Dessert has arrived. It involves a small chocolate wafer and morel mushroom ice cream. You can taste it. It's very creamy, very sweet, but the morels are there. Yummy! Thanks so much for watching, especially throughout the season. And right now I'm working on a summer mushroom video that talks about mycorrhizal trees to look for to find chanterelles, black trumpets, and all kinds of yummy mushrooms.